woke up, so I have a little unboxing to do. Like, yeah, so this parcel arrived like late at night, came from the north, something small that my mom sent me. So I'm gonna do that little unboxing with you guys. I guess there's only maybe 2 items, but I'm grateful, you know. So yeah, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl June, 100% definitely. So guys, please subscribe, like and comment. Yeah, that's it. I don't even know what is there. All she says is just like, no, somebody will drop something there. And I'm like, I'm waiting for it. And I'm grateful. See you on the flip side.
Mama said something small for you, my child. Oh my gosh, where did you get my number? Deko Vago Shako. I think it in, I don't know what is there because it's another Shako down there. No adding, no taking, and plastic. Voila! There you go. So I got ground nuts with filler and then dry on baby. Then she put in a vanda. No reason to go hungry. Yeah, when you remember your parents, they'll also remember you. Can't wait to have this. Okay, so now it's time to put them in the pot and prepare them. Imagine this basin is almost full and there's still a lot left, so I don't know. I think the remaining one I'll just wash it and put in the deep freezer because you can feel even throughout. So yeah, let's wash and put in the pot. The thing is, when you put like water, like enough water, the sand just goes down like below the whole thing, so the washing is made easier. Washing made easier, so this one has sand. We didn't even receive enough rainfall, that's why they seem to be small, but then at least you have the taste of them. It makes a difference. It's better than not having them at all. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy them today. And there are a lot. I think I'm gonna call my cousin so we can eat. Let's see if she's not working.
Progress. It's already boiling. Let me just show you. Whoa, I think it only needs like 30 minutes, then everything will be ready to indulge. Can't wait. Hi guys, it's me again. All I wanted to say is, if you made it through this far, then guys, please do consider subscribing to your girl's channel, and do also consider liking and also comment anything in the comment section below. So guys, here's my plate. I'm ready to actually eat what I saw. Okay, so there's some people that actually eat, excuse me, some people that actually eat like this. Okay. Like this. But if you are typical like me, this is how we eat. I'm a typical girl. I didn't grow up in the village, but I used to go to the village every holiday, and you know, that's how I know all this. Anyways guys, I just wanted to close off. So guys, please, bye bye and see you next time.